burnout. Do a burnout.
Look at that. Mom, look, you see the bug?
Oh my God. Want to put the camcorder up?
Yeah, I guess so. I'm done using it.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, look, there's a hydraulics over there.
Oh, yeah.
He's down. Oh, sorry. It's a good game.
No, he's too tired. Hey, we do a burnout? Popo, are you back yet? Huh? Are you back? Popo? Are you back?
There's an old Trans Am, like Smokey and the Bandit. Keep coming.
Yeah, you got me. Look.
Scared you?
Yeah. I was like, no way.
Vengo del barrio tronado, abra paso para que ingrese. Te ves aquí el enfrente, corre si puedes, si no quieres. Abre, ves con la que cuelga ya lo que la veces.
That's why he was laughing at you. I thought he was looking at me laughing. I'm like,
Who burn out?
The little baby in it, not the car seat.
Who burn out? Burn out!
They're gonna race.
Oh, you scraped. Oh, God.
damn, that's a shit drop. That's a car. Girls like chocolate.
Do burnout. Man, come on. Freaking Viper.
Oh.
Dodge makes that.
I don't know how they can do that to those poor horses. I didn't like it. They can put those horses in danger.
Look at that. Look at that.
Ah!
Monte Carlo right there. Another Monte Carlo.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
an
look
Oldsmobile.
at it.
Look at that one. Look at the trains in. Look at that. Hey, do a burnout. The car. Burn up.
Nah, he ain't down. Rednecks ain't down.
Rocky though. See if this guy does burnout. See if he'll do a burnout. No.
I like that
Stingray.
I like that color, that black one.
Yeah. Do a burnout.
Really talking about
Oh.
it was good like this.
It's all good.
Woo!
When I said burnout, it was like, I know, that's all that.